In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start page numbering on page 3 in Google Docs in just a few minutes. Whether you're working on a thesis, a report, or any long document, this simple step-by-step guide will help you format your pages perfectly. Let's dive in. First, you need to decide exactly where you want the new page numbering to begin. In this example, we want to skip the first two pages and start numbering on the third page. To do this, scroll down to the very end of the content on page 2. The goal is to place your cursor right at the point where you want the page break to happen, which will create the new page that starts your new section. Once your cursor is in the correct position at the end of page 2, navigate to the main menu at the top of the screen and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, hover your mouse over the break option to reveal a sub-menu. Here you'll see different types of breaks. The one we need is Section Break, Next Page. Click this option. You'll immediately see that Google Docs has inserted a break and pushed all subsequent content onto a new page. This action has successfully divided your document into two distinct sections, which is the foundation for creating different headers and page numbers. Now that you're on the new page, which is page 3, it's time to edit the header. Move your cursor to the top margin of this page and double-click to open the header editing area. You will notice a blue box indicating you're in header mode for section 2. By default, this new section's header is linked to the header of the previous section. We need to break this link. Look for the Link to Previous checkbox on the right side of the header toolbar. It will be checked. Click on it once to uncheck it. This is the most crucial step as it tells Google Docs that the header for section 2 should be independent from section 1, allowing us to add page numbers here without them appearing on the first two pages. With the link to the previous section removed, you can now add your page numbers. In the header toolbar, find and click on the Options drop-down menu. From the list that appears, select Page Numbers. This will open the Page Numbers configuration dialog box, giving you full control over how the numbers will appear in this section. In the Page Numbers pop-up window, you have a few settings to adjust. First, confirm that the position is set to header, as that's where we are working. More importantly, look at the numbering section. The default option is Continue from Previous Section. You must change this by clicking the radio button next to Start At. The field will automatically populate with the number 1. This ensures your new section begins its numbering from 1. Once you've made that selection, click the blue Apply button to save your changes. You will now see the number 1 appear in the header of page 3. If you were to scroll up, you would confirm that the first two pages remain unnumbered, just as we intended. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to start page numbering on page 3 in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.